Yes. Now we are going for forms development. How we can develop the forms in Developer 2000. Form Builder 10G will take around 15 to 20 hours classes. We are going to cover all these classes, Forms 10G. Now this is the first class we are going to discuss. First we will discuss what is Form Builder. Sorry. Form Builder is one of the Oracle GUI tool, Graphical User Interface tool. What is the purpose of Form Builder? By using Form Builder, we can develop the forms and also we can customize the forms as per the requirement. So why do we require forms? Why the clients are required for the forms? So what the client will do, if the client wants to insert, client or end user wants to insert the records into the tables or update existing records or delete existing records from the table or into the table, will be using the one user friendly environment. That environment we can create by using the Form Builder, Earlier we were having 4.5 version, then 6i version, then 9i version. Now we are using 10G, Forms 10G. By using Forms 10G, we will develop the forms. It will be saved .fmb. The form file will be saved .fmb. Form module binary. It is a source file. Again, we can open and modify it. We can generate FMX, means executable file. We can go for execute the file. We cannot open this. We cannot open and modify, and this will go for executable. Form module executable, this FMB and FMX. Fine. Whenever we want to develop the form, we have to define minimum 3 things. 1 data block, 2 canvas, 3 is window. First we have to define the data block. What is meant by data block? Data block is nothing but a selecting the data from the database table. Table name and column names. Data blocks are 2 types. One database data block, another one is control data block. Database data block is defined based on the table or procedure or view. Control data block is without database table, it will be defined. Now we'll see how to create a data block. Go to Form Builder. How to open the Form Builder? We can open directly from desktop if there is any Form Builder icon. Otherwise, we'll go to Start menu, All Programs, Developer Shoot, Form Builder. Here is the option, Form Builder. Or we can have the shortcut on the desktop, no problem. Here is the shortcut. And open this, double click. It's Oracle Form Builder 10G Shoot. It's Oracle product. Here is Object Navigator, and here we will define the data block first. So data block is nothing but a table name and column names. So go to Form Builder, create a data block. Here is the option. There are 2 ways we can create data block, by using the wizard or we can define manually. Let's go for manual. Wizard is not preferable. Let's go for manual. Create. Now the data block is defined. Right click, properties. I'm defining employee data block. Yes. And is it database data block or not? Here we can find, is it database data block or not? Now it is database data block. Non-database data block we'll discuss later, means control data blocks we'll discuss later. And what are the minimum properties we'll configure for database data block? Here we'll specify. What is the source type? Table, procedure, transactional triggers, or from class query. Now we are using the table. What is the table name? Employee. What are the column names? Query, data, source, columns. Column names are this. Column names are this. Employee number. What data type? Number. What is the precision? Employee name. Varchar 2 of 25. And hire date, date, data type, this employee number, employee name, hire date. Press OK. If we want to write any where class, no problem. We can write here where department number in 10, 20, 30. And if we want to define any order by class, we can define here order by department number, descending order. So what we have done here is we have given the table name and column names and some where clause and some order by clause. This is data block we have defined. Once we define the data block, that we have to show in the canvas. Next. So canvas is nothing but a area where we are going to display the data block items. Items are nothing but a columns. Buttons also we can place. Checkboxes also we can place, that we'll discuss later. So whatever data items or columns we have selected in the data block, that we are going to display on the canvas to the user. We are going to display on the canvas so that user can see that objects. User can see that objects. There are 5 types of canvases. Default canvas is content canvas. We'll discuss about canvases in the next sessions. Okay, so now we are going to define a canvas. Without data block, there is no question of canvas. Without data block, there is no question of canvas. Even if we define a canvas, some sample text information we can define. That's all. We can't do more than that. So we have already defined a data block having some text items. Now we are going for canvas. Go to canvas, create. How to work with the canvas? Double click. Sorry. If we double click on the canvas, it will shows the canvas here, right? Say. Now what is your canvas name? We can change employee canvas. Yes. You are in the canvas called employee canvas and you are in the data block called this data block. Then how to display this data block columns in the canvas? It's very simple. First we will take the frame. Frame is not mandatory. This is just for designing. Select the frame. And I don't want white color. I would like to have say no fill. And the label here I am specifying employee information. Next we are going for text items. By using text item, we'll display the data block columns. This is for employee number. See here text item is defined whenever we define. Another one is for employee name. This. Another one is for hire date. Before this, we can place some prompt. Text item. This is employee number. This is employee name. See, you can find the text things here. This. And hire date. Employee join date. First, we are going to assign to the employee number. Right click. Properties. Here if we want to change the text item name, we can change. There is only one property that we have to configure. Column name. Here we have to say what is the database column name, employee number. That's all. Close. Next, second employee name we want map. Column name is hire date. Sorry, this name we can have any name, no problem. Sorry, remaining properties we'll discuss in the next sessions. Right now only one property we are configuring, that is column. That's all. So we have mapped the text items. So what we have done now is we have defined one data block, nothing but a table name and column names, and that data block columns we are displaying on the canvas and mapping. Next, after defining the canvas, this canvas we have to attach to the window. We can't show the canvas directly to the user. We must place the canvas on the window. We have two types of windows: model window, model-less window. Default window is model-less window. We'll discuss about difference between model and model-less later. Now model-less window is the default. So what I am going to do is I am going to assign this canvas to the window. Go to window, properties. Actually, if there is only one canvas, we don't need to attach. It takes automatically, but it's a good practice. Attach the canvas to the window. How to attach canvas to the window? There is a property called primary canvas. Select that property and change the employee window name. That's all. We have completed simple form development. So whenever we want to develop a simple form, we required minimum 3 objects: 1 data block, 2 canvas, 3 window. First we have to define the data block. Data block is nothing but a table name and column names. We can also have some where clause, valid, and also order by clause. After defining the data block, we are going to define the canvas. So canvas is nothing but a layout where we are going to display our data block items. Items are nothing but a columns. So in canvas we don't write any logic. Canvas is just for displaying the objects to the end user. Whatever logic we would like to implement, logic or joins or any other, we'll do it in the data block. Okay. After defining the canvas, that we have to attach to the window. If there is only one canvas, we don't need to attach, it takes automatically. But if we have multiple canvases, we are supposed to attach. How to attach the canvas to the window? There is a property called primary canvas. Now compile the form, compile PLSQL code. Before compilation, we have to log into the application database. Username is apps, password is apps, vision instance. Connect. Fine. Now save the form. When we save the form, what happened? The file will be saved .fmb format. .fmb means form module binary. Where we want to save, we can save anywhere in the server. .fmb employee. We are going to save an employee underscore form. E drive we are going to save the form. Then how to open this form again? Close the form builder, Go to E drive. Where is our form? Here, emp underscore FOM. It's a form module development mode. Let's open the form builder. How to open the form builder? Open form builder first. Close this file. We can find here recently whatever the forms we have opened and work. Otherwise, file open. Where is the form? Here we can try to show only forms. .fmb. Now it is showing only forms. Select the form. Open. How to go to the data block? Here. How to go to the canvas? Double click on the canvas. Now the canvas will be displayed right side, canvas window. This is our canvas and this is our black data block. Attach canvas to the window. Now run this form. Let's connect to the database. Before running the form, we have to connect to the database. Once database connection is done successfully, then we can run the form. How to run the form? Here is the option. The HTTP listener is not running on this system. Just wait.